Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting an error that says a referral was returned from the server. So if you're getting this issue and it happens to an application that maybe doesn't have administrator privileges, this tutorial should hopefully be able to resolve without too much of a hassle. And we're going to just jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just click on the start button one time. Type in local group policy. Best match should say edit group policy. Please keep in mind if you're running Windows 10 Home Edition, this will not work for you. However, if you're running Windows 10 Professional, Enterprise, or any version of Windows 7 or Windows 8, this shouldn't be an issue. So we're going to go ahead and left click on edit group policy. Now underneath computer configuration, we're going to go ahead and expand the Windows settings. Make sure you're not doing it for the one underneath user configuration. There are duplicate files for both computer configuration and user configuration, at least how it appears. Again, I'm just going to minimize this user configuration. You want to just be dealing with computer configuration here. And then underneath computer configuration, expand the Windows settings. And then once you've done that, you want to expand security settings. And now you want to expand local policies. And now left click on security options. Now you want to locate the option that says user account control, only elevate executables that are signed and validated. Here we go. So user account controls, only elevate executables that are signed and validated. Double click on that. Now you want to make sure it's set to disabled, and then left click on apply and OK. Once you're done with that, I would suggest closing out of any open applications you have on your computer, restart your computer, and hopefully that has resolved your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.